Hi there, this is Aditya. I have been posting Marathi reviews on the books I read. Recently, I received some suggestions to make videos in English also. I had started this channel while keeping in mind that there are very few Marathi booktube channels here on YouTube. So from now onwards, I will continue posting in Marathi as well as in English. From last week, I had started reviewing a series of books named You Are a Badass addressed by Jen Sincero. Today, I will share my thoughts on the second book of this series, that is, You Are a Badass at Making Money, that tracks the financial self-help category. Increasing and maintaining wealth is a mindset. This book contains lessons to learn and master it. The very first sentence writer asserts is that if you want to make more money, you can do it, even if you have tried and failed many times. But we are afraid to take the very first step because we don't want to leave our comfort zone. There is a common element in all the money making books I have read so far, that money making is not just a skill, but it is a mindset. For instance, only thinking about exercising daily is not going to pay you off. On the contrary, one who starts exercising just for 10 minutes a day will get desired benefits out of it. That is why if you want to pave your way for wealth, you have to be mentally prepared to walk on it. So how does this mindset work? It covers three things: our thoughts, words, and faith. Our situation depends on these three things. That is why when we master this mindset and think positively, we get rid of all our fears and reach our goal. Everything depends on the power of thought. Thoughts are like catalysts. Do you believe in gut feeling? When you are afraid to do something, somewhere you are sure that you can do it. That is gut feeling. It only works on thoughts. Think about this. If you don't like any particular food stuff, neither you are going to look at it, nor you are going to think about it. The same thing happens about wealth. Your thoughts determine whether you will grow or lose wealth. So here are some simple exercises that will help you to get rich and give you an idea of what to do when you are the barrier in the process of getting rich. We can't overcome our fears without eradicating them. It does not matter how people will react. If you are determined to kill the fear of speaking in front of them, you will succeed. The second exercise is to pay close attention to what you and others say. This is necessary because by recklessly speaking negatively, we are pushing ourselves away from the path of progress. So, pay close attention to what you speak. Take a deep breath before speaking. It will give you an insight if you are going to speak for the better or not. And the third exercise is to avoid speaking if it is not necessary. You may find it funny, but talk to money. And to find out how to do this, read You Are a Badass at Making Money. What I learned from this book is you can either give an excuse or succeed, but both the things are not possible collectively. Your thoughts will follow the path through which you will guide them. Your determination determines your outcome. Successful people turn the mindset according to the situation and turn it according to their choice. That is the difference between successful and unsuccessful people. Decision making depends on our ability. Suppose there is no deadline concerning your work, you will take forever to do that. And that is why goal and courageous decision making plays a vital role. It can take you to the pinnacle of success in a moment, but it requires preparation. And most importantly, your mindset depends on the people with whom you spend most of your time with. So the choice ought to be good. Take a step towards your dream and the rest will unfold. So that is it for today. Don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. This is Aditya signing off for now. Bye.